Thank you, sir. Thank you, ma'am. And next we have a sports captain. That is Mohammed Aris Khan from 12 Science. Please welcome Mohammed Aris. He is also principal of Rampur Battalion. I request our principal sir and sir vice principal to pin the base for sports captain, that is Mohammed Aris Khan. Welcome Mohammed Aris as a newly elected sports captain of our school. Here comes the sir principal and sir vice principal of our school pinning the badge of school sports captain. Next we have the sports vice captain, that is Lysram Ricky Singh from 11 Science. Please get ready. For photograph session, I request Ma'am Mazusuri and Mami to join over the stage. Thank you, sir. Thank you, Mami. Next, we have a sports vice captain, that is Lysram Ricky Singh from 11 Science. Please welcome him. Welcome, Lysram Ricky Singh from 11 Science, our vice captain of sports. Welcome you to the sports I request Sir Vice Principal and Sir Principal to pin the badge for Sports Vice Captain. Welcome Ricky Sarma for as a Sports Vice Captain of our school. Next we have School Academic and Co-Curricular Activities Captain, that is Chanumbam Churchill from 12 Science. Please gather name. Thank you, Sir Principal and Sir Vice Principal of our school. Welcome Ricky Singh as the newly elected sports vice captain of our school. And here comes the School Academic and Co-Curricular Activities Captain, that is Chanumbam Churchill from 12 Science. Please welcome him. He is also an NCC cadet, which has been joined at the CC Secondary School. He is from Welcome Chanungan Churchill as the captain of school academic and co-curricular activities. Thank you, sir. Welcome Chanungan Churchill as a newly elected school academic and co-curricular activities captain. Next we have the school vice academic and co-curricular activities. Congratulations, praise Sarah from Alaganach. I request Sir Principal and Sir Vice Principal of our school to pin the badge for school vice academic and co-curricular activities captain.
A very good morning. And next, Captain, do get ready. That is Mayengam Nongkhangami Chalu. So, to do the honor of Nongkhangami Chalu, I would like to request Ma'am Olivia and Ma'am Dandamanjuri to be on the stage. So, school assembly in charge, there is Mayengam Nongkhangami Chalu. Do get ready. So now